Just started 180 gaming here. I'm playing Happy Wheels finally, and let's get on with it. I haven't played Happy Wheels in a long time, so oh yeah. Wait now. Wrong thing. Just gonna do the user level browser. Let's do Star Wars. No, okay. By 283 or something, blah blah blah. We're gonna beat him just because we can. Oh! We've got lightsabers. Oh my. Don't do this. Don't do it. Oh! My lightsaber can destroy. Ew! Oh my balls! Oh man, that's bad. That's supposed to be the freaking pasta stand or something. Oh no! Oh no! So the sword's still stuck in my legs. You're not too small. I can kill you now. Whee! Oh! Stay in your seat, son. No, son. I got you, son. Oh! I still got you, son. Gotcha. Oh no, son. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Oh! Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Well, that didn't count good. Now did it? I'm gonna do this again. Oh! Oh! Oh yes! Get over me, freaking! Ah! Fly like E.T. Fly like E.T. Okay, I can't jump over you. I gotta do it with my son. Oh! Oh yes. No, you're not. You're wrecked. I'm not wrong. We gotta take Obi-Wan with us. Well, Obi-Wan died. Well, that's just terrible. Oh no. Oh. Death Maul, you can't do nothing to me and my son. The Force is strong with us. You ready for this, son? Let's do this, son. Son, are you still alive, son? My butt is getting kicked by that spinny thing. Well, it just was terrible. It's really terrible. Alright. Let's look at this. Epic, then end frost. Let's see here. Epic. Screw it. Screw it in the anus. Okay. Well, looks like this is gonna be fun. Wait 2 seconds. Wait a second. You're telling me my son is not with me? But he's in the sky? That could only mean one thing. I didn't know that. Let's get on with this. What's your booty? Oh, Willie life. Oh. Oh. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. Come on. I got to fly over it. Come on. You can do it. Oh. I did it. Oh. MLG quick scooper. Wait 2 seconds. I think it's been 2 seconds. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh no. What's gonna happen? When? Oh yeah. Rainbows. I ditched it. Yeehaw. Okay. What else do we have? Many ways to die. Let's do this. I have no idea what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be the wheelchair man. 'Cause I'm doing it for charity. Charity. Oh. Oh no. The watermelon has kept me from going. But I got jetpacks to not keep me struggling. Oh yeah. That failed horribly. That very failed horribly. I'm very sad now. I'm not gonna try that. It's too painful. Oh, this one's got 5 freaking stars. Let's do it. This is just a preview of my Rebel the Ripper with HD graphics. For more, visit my page on FP Game Share. Well, it's about a horror map. Segway guy. I'm a Segway guy. I'm a pre-boss. Wait, the screen. What? What is going on here? Son of a gun. What's going on here? Okay, well, this is pretty stupid. Waffle Town. Welcome to Waffle Town. The Wolf. Dunno, 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 dunno. Hey, look, a car. The Idiot Shop. Lono Diner. Wait, this call. What? Mr. Mickey Master. Oh! Oh no. What's going on back there? There's a boulder. Oh, things coming this way. Son, be prepared for anything. Be prepared for anything. Oh, I can fight you. Oh. Oh. Oh man. That's it. Let's do the Pogo Neon Jump. Let's do it. Oh. 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 What the fuck? Come on with some jibber. Trollololol. Motherfucker. Oh. 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 Oh, baby, a triple. Yay. That was stupid. X-Men. X-Men. Let's do this quiz. Sorry about the glass guys. What glass guys? What glass guys? Question 1. How many games of Final Freddy's just got made from 2014 to 2015? I'm a boss. This purple guy in Final Freddy's 4. She's a brick. I think. Thanks. Question 4. How many animatronics are there in Final Freddy's altogether? I didn't pick that. I didn't pick that. I was gonna pick the next one. That's not fair. Okay, we gotta do this again. It's this one, totally. I'm relaxed. Yes, yes, obviously. Okay. There is 23. custom night was the highest AI you can go to on financial footage. 1 and 2. Obviously. Okay. Yes, I did it. We're gonna go down here. Bye. Okay. I'm gonna end the video here because I'm bored. I'm gonna do something else. But I got very bored. So yeah. Subscribe and peace out, my ninjas. See you in the next video. Bye bye.